Welcome to our channel where we dive into the world of kitchen cabinet makeovers and inspire you to transform your culinary space into a stunning and functional masterpiece. If you are seeking fresh ideas to breathe new life into your kitchen, you have come to the right place. In this video, we showcase a collection of captivating kitchen cabinet makeover designs that will redefine the heart of your home. We believe that the kitchen is not only a space for culinary creativity but also a reflection of your personal style and taste. Join us as we explore a variety of transformative techniques, innovative materials, and clever design ideas that can completely revitalize your kitchen cabinets. From traditional to modern, rustic to sleek, our collection encompasses a wide range of styles to suit every preference and complement an interior decor. Discover the power of color and finishes as we demonstrate how a fresh coat of paint or a trendy two-tone scheme can instantly uplift your cabinets, creating a focal point that sets the tone for your entire kitchen. We will also share tips on color selection, including how to choose hues that harmonize with your existing kitchen elements and create a cohesive look. But that's not all. We will delve into the world of textures and patterns, revealing the transformative impact of textured cabinet finishes such as embossed or distressed surfaces. Whether you prefer a weathered farmhouse charm on a contemporary industrial vibe, these techniques add depth and character to your cabinets, making them a standout feature in your kitchen. In addition to visual appeal, we understand the importance of functionality in a well-designed kitchen. That's why we will showcase clever storage solutions and organizational ideas that maximize space and streamline your cooking experience. From pull-out shelves and built-in dividers to small inserts and accessories, these cabinet makeover are as practical as they are beautiful. As we guide you through our video, we will also provide valuable insight into the process of cabinet makeovers, including tips on preparing surfaces, choosing the right materials, and selecting the hardware that complements your new design. Whether you are a seasonal tie enthusiast or seeking professional assistance, our video will equip you with the knowledge to embark on your own kitchen transformation journey. So get ready to be inspired and discover the endless possibilities for our kitchen cabinet makeover. Join us in creating a culinary space that not only satisfies your practical needs but also become a showcase of style and creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and stay updated on the latest trends in the kitchen design and remodeling.